What up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Project Pan update. Ooh, it's Project Pan time. Now let's talk about what we haven't used at all. Wow. Let's just start with the elephant in the room. Here's a lot of the stuff I haven't used this month. As always, I've got my laptop up in front of me. I have my little spreadsheet, and I'm gonna go through 4 categories today, which is the stuff I've managed to use consistently, stuff I've touched a few times, not a single touch, and then the empties category we're going to visit again today. Ooh. I guess we'll start with the empties. This is no surprise. I was talking about this last month. This is the Dr. Jart Water Fuse, completely empty. I finished this about 2 or 3 days after I filmed the last Project Pan update, so winner. Then I guess we'll go through these things. I don't even know if you can see all of this. This is everything I haven't used. Let's just go there. Okay. I know you can see some of the stuff I'm grabbing, but whatever. My Tarte blush, I don't know what's wrong with me. I remember when I filmed that first video this year, I was like, oh, I love this color. What's in my eye? I have not given this like any love, and really for the past almost 2 months now, I've been using like super peachy blushes like this. So I bet you there will be a Tarte blush in my next year's Project Pan. This is also no surprise. This is the Stila glitter in the smoldering satin. I just haven't reached for it because I have been, you know, wearing my makeup like this a lot. These are my 3 little minis that I said I was going to start using last month. And the sad thing is about this, like when I'm looking at my list of all my stuff on my laptop, I just put these back in like the little pouch thing I have and walked away from that. Didn't even bother to use some of this. Another what the fluff. I still haven't reached for this. I don't know what it is. I feel like I genuinely just don't like the way this feels or looks. I don't know. I'm just gonna use it all right now. God, this mister. Look at this. There we go. Work for me. I hate this. It's probably gonna make my makeup break up. When I take this out of my project now, it just looks like there's like sludge like rolling around in the bottom. I know you can't see that. I can. But it's like from me shaking it and it being like almost empty. God, my shirt's wet. This mister is fucked off. Okay. Let's just rewind for a minute. Oh my god, look, we have 2 empties! Yay! Yeah. Bye. Is that cheating? I don't care. Okay, here's my like silicone pore filling. Oh, what was that? Did you see that? That shit just flew out. Oh, fuck. It's got dog hair on it. Well, look. This is empty. This is the little nugget that was left in here. That's so funny. Oh my god, you guys, we have another empty! Yay! I'm putting this in my empties category just for the fact that this like took a jolly ride on the floor and I kind of want to smush it. Should we? Okay, OMG, 3 empties! This is fucking cheating. Is it? This is gonna go everywhere. Oh, it's like deodorant. 10 out of 10 would not recommend. Oh, did anybody ever have like potato candy when they were a kid? Like that potato candy and there'd be like peanut butter inside? That's what this is. This is the last little bite of like some Cajun ass potato candy. This is... I feel like a 3-year-old. What do I do? This is everywhere. I have a sleeping dog underneath me and cords everywhere. Hold please. Okay, this I haven't reached for, and for the simple fact, the reason why I haven't reached for this is because two things. I got this oil foundation, this tinted face oil, and I got this face oil stick thing. So the two to me, like, it doesn't seem like a harmonious blend of products. It would just result in like a fuck show on my face. So haven't used this guy, not kicking him out. We're not going to sabotage everything. Okay, this is the last makeup item, and it's my KKW concealer. I know, I went from like the beginning of the year, like, this will be no big, this gonna be easy, I love this, this is a jam, to I've used it occasionally, to now we're in the have not touched in a legitimate 30 days. Who am I? It's because I bought two concealers, I think one February, one March. This is Denona Myricks, the Vision Cream Cover Perfecting Shaping Wand. This one by Denona Myricks and this one by Becca. This was a rebuy. But it's because I've gotten different face products and different concealers that I've been putting this guy up on the shelf, and who am I? I'm Allison. This is typical. This is typical behavior. Why am I questioning this? Okay, the rest of this is like skincare, hair care. I'll start with this. This is the dry shampoo, and magically I was able to find the same marker that I've been using. See that? I got skincare! Obviously, no surprise to anyone. This is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. These dogs, I swear, it's like, what the fuck? Okay, this is no surprise to anyone. The Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. I love when I see, I guess I'm sure it's a sponsored post, but I see this run across Instagram all the time where it's a little short video and they're like, they pump some out right here. It's like a short, very close up of the wrist in some sunlight, and they drop a little bit on, they rub it on, and it's all like, ooh, shimmery. And I'm like, yeah, when it's wet, it is pretty. Like, I'd like to demonstrate that feature for you today, right fucking here. Fucking here. I can hear my mom in my head be like, Allison, come on. Oh, look how wet and shiny my arm is. You know, I probably said last month that I was going to mark the outside of this, and here we are. I just used the light from this ring light, and it took four fucking ever because the plastic on this bottle is so thick to figure out where exactly this line is. I mean, I'm still not 100% sure. Maybe. I'm pretty sure. Whatever. Fuck. Anywho, now we have a little April mark, whatever. On this guy, yeah, I haven't used it. I'll try harder. Here's my little tower. We'll start with the moisturizer on top. I've been using the tinted face oils and all that jazz lately, and I feel like when I have used this, like on a day where I didn't have any makeup on and I had this on, like later on I could like rub my face and feel that there was this layer there, which is nice, but it also felt like it was like tacky enough to where I could like rub it off, you know what I mean? Like, you know how aloe vera is, and that's one of the biggest ingredients in this little tub. And then lastly, in my have not physically touched in 30 days pile are these two masks, and I feel like the month of March kind of got away from me. Like, there were a lot of things constantly going on. I know by the end of the year I'll use them up, that's whatever. I'm trying not to beat myself up about it, but I have not purchased any new masks. Okay, this is my stuff I've touched a few times. The unfortunate little ones that sit in the corner and just want to be played with, and I'm like, alright, you can go for a ride today. Come on. So, it's kind of a split. So, Riff down here, my little Urban Decay. These are my two Inglot shades, and this is one of those, like, if you haven't tried Inglot, bitch, you miss me now. Fuck me up. Why don't I wear that shade more? I don't know. This is kind of a surprise. I was going hard on this for the past few months, and then I just kind of went to a halt. My little MAC Muscul-inity Luster Lipstick. This was manufactured in September 2016, 36-month shelf life, and is valid for the next 6 months. So I have until September to realistically use my boo-boo. Okay, I've got 3 things left in my things I've used a few times. This guy, let's see, I need to mark this as well. And it looks like I have gotten nowhere. I've been doing my night care routine a little bit differently. I have hit pan on this, as you can see. You can see really well. Boom! Straight to the bottom. That I've touched it. Anyway, it's like a melted gummy bear. I haven't used that a lot, just being lazy sometimes. Then there's this guy. I have not been using this a ton. I know last month it's like, let me just show you, like these guys, it's like this one will be used, this one will be neglected. This one will be used, this will be neglected. That's probably how this is going to go for the rest of the year. That's probably a good thing. If you can see, it's getting a little bit more donutty. I've used it a few times, but realistically not that much. I have been, spoiler alert, using my Stellar Haze powder a lot this month. So let's talk about, this is the stuff that I've really been loving. Using hardcore. The cloud paint, I think I had this in my like abused pile last month. I was gonna say last week. This I've been going hard on. I do like a good sized dollop and I'll just tap into it, do one side and then like use the rest, and then whatever's left on my hand all across the bridge of my nose, maybe add a little bit more, but I've been going hard on this. The Sunshine Skin Tint, I've been going hard with this. I decided a little while ago with my Sharpay, I'm pretty sure this is gonna flake off just like the expiration date is. The original expiration date is completely unreadable. What I did with a Sharpie like what, a month ago is almost unlegible, and today I just put like a line where the bottom of the little like travel down pump thing is, and I wrote 0419. So I know I've got 2 months to use this, and really this is probably going to be the front runner, or it should be the front runner for the next 2 months. And then I've got 2 things left. I've got this guy, which I think this is getting just a little bit bigger. I've been using this every day because I've been doing more work related and going out in public type apparatus situationals, and I don't want to have like a beaming like, you know, purple, you know, crazy space alien, you know, glittery, you know, I keep going highlight on my face. This has always been my go-to. It's just like healthy skin. Like I could take a bath in this. If I ever like completely pan this like to where it's like crumbled and I can't put it back together, like tiny little like nothing left, I would totally rebuy this. And I think this is gonna be like my Laura Mercier bronzer, Deluxe bronzer. Pitiful little thing. I'm determined. This is 10 grams. I'm determined to like fully pan this. I've changed my mind. This is the last thing I wanted to show you. I just put this line on today. Look at the growth or the change between last month and this month. My Rollerball, my BeachWalk. I love this. This is so good. I can't get enough of it. This is going to be gone by the end of the summer, which is perfect timing for its scent. So my camera's dying. So anyway, that is everything, you guys. That is all my Project Pan updates. That's where we lie. Am I back down to 25 lightas? I have no idea. I think it's like 27 or so lightas on my dresser. Yeah, so anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel while you're here. It's free. If you like watching bullshit like this, I like making bullshit like this. So, you know, stick with me here. Just kidding. Alright, thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye!